Alright, this video is gonna get kind of late. I had to take care of some stuff. Alright, now you're wondering why am I boxing My Little Pony cards? Well, I do collect more than just Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon cards. I just mostly put Pokemon. A lot, but I like collecting every type of cards, except sports cards for some reason. So you might see some videos of some weird ones, like ones that make a comic book or pack. One Piece, they are pretty hard to find for now. English versions anyways. And these, I've been buying them now and then a little bit. Finally I got this one free, which is supposed to be from a movie. And it's added some more collection. This one, but yeah, the thing was gonna be bigger when I got it. Let's go here. So I'm gonna box 2 ones I found in the back of what the box I have. So say what the heck, just get rid of the box and see what's inside. Princess Luna collection box and Discord deck box. Okay, what the hell I got? Right, Luna has so collection card, a special full card inside plus 3 and LPCC card packs, 2 collaborations, special sticker, and Princess Luna poster. Don't really care about the poster. This one has the main collection one. Whoa. Damn, still dusty. You have to clean it. A special card, Discord, training card, tattoo, poster, and special sticker, and more. This one seems to have more. Well, this, how can I put it? This likely I'm not gonna like it. Not the good one. This Discord looks creepy. Hey, what the? Great, my tripod is breaking. I think I kind of free when I bust up my nose. There's tape around it. I never noticed that. I remember I did buy these for the main company. Just remove them out of the thing. Alright, let's look at this box first. Nice. Pretty much the same, but no size, just the star. Change star. This one has more better. Has flying pigs, which is pretty funny. Has a broken lamp. What the heck is that supposed to be? A fish thrown what? Raspberry legs, a freaking balloon. 5 more of the balloons. Let me see that one there. So we got a poster, which the angle is a little different. Okay, one side is the ads. Both sides posters. Albums. extra tents. Good tents with handles. Lunch boxes basically. Booster packs. Booster boxes. Game mats. Tags. More booster packs. And these, I think I got all of them. Except this one and that one, I believe so. And poster, pretty nice about that. We're not here for that, we're here for the other stuff, which is the sticker, which is basically a small version of a poster. Pretty nice. The card, which is from the game playing kind. Which I actually didn't figure out how to play it. And we got 2 booster packs. Well, these are not from the series, these are from the game one. Cause it's a card game, I guess I get to look in the see that serious. Actual Knights and actually, I don't think I read any information, any background of these. So I'm gonna be clueless with these. Don't hit it when you cut it, and it still doesn't go the way. Nobody got an idea what these are good or not? Let's see, we got a Sakura magical mirror. Just a little bended. Shut and upper course. What the heck? Okay, I don't have any clue what these ones. Those are the ones I have some clue what they're supposed to be for. These ones are a little blank for me. Okay, so it was rare, because the R means they're rare. You may ultra rare. Pony of Shadows. Okay, what the guess these are the ultra rare cards. I don't know if they're really good or just normal. Since they're not holographic or fossil cards, it can't be that rare. I'm gonna keep these in the booster packs. Yeah. I think the one Discord box is the one that has the ones I've been collecting. That thing must have given there. They were in a box safe and everything. How can it be bended? Got a Rainbow Dash. At least I know the name of the main characters, but now I don't know her. 4 steps. Quest. Comment cards, alright. Rare card. Ultra rare. Ultra rare and another ultra rare. Sheesh, nothing good. Last one, which I think is a serious one. This does have Nightmare Moon. I remember that one pops out on the first season. And yes, I have to watch the show I understand these cards better. And also my niece made me watch one when she was little. Stampede, what the? Chip. Oh, skip one. I think these are attacks. Rare. Ultra rare. Ultra rare and the rarest card. Wait, is it? No, it was just my eyes for coming. Not a single holographic. Dang. It's been a while, so these things are like really hard to get a holographic card like the original Pokemon card. Pokemon Puzzle X. Alright, this box sucked like I thought it would. And you got a good poster if you like the character much. The good ones are the only things you actually can get from. But this card will show how you were a game, apparently. World of Defenders of Equestria, well, Pony Sisters, and a sticker. Other than that, alright, let's go with the one I thought. I think it's gonna be good. First poster. Let's go from the back of the camera. This one's a checklist. The whole one's from checklist of Series 2. These stickers you can only get in, included in special packages. Alright. And these are the gold cards. Nice. And there's a little better Discord. I've been playing about, I think, whole chaos going on. Alright, now let's go and see. We have a sticker, I think. No, this is a special. False. Special card that comes with a pack. Series 2, card number F43. This score, and that damn thing is upside down. Well, I guess kind of fits with this thing. Special card, and this is the sticker right here. These are Series 2. Oh, that's different. Dang, these don't got that many. These are a little more like let's see, we got a card. Dang, there's such a little bit left in here. Little striker and chief bolt, and instead of a special pop-up one, we get a tattoo. Number 4. Puzzle piece with card list. Don't look as a puzzle piece. Elements of Harmony. Oh, here you guys have the freaking code. That even works, and there are actually one single thing of them. See, I think the other first series had a lot more cards in the booster pack. Sticker number 3 or tattoo. Puzzle piece, checkpoint. Don't recognize that puzzle piece. So apples, the code, and an event card. Buzz off. This is a little weird. Okay. Lights. See what we got. 2 ponies. Oh, cool. Holographic one finally. A Fluttershy. Tattoos again, same ones. The Crystal Heart. Guess it's an item card. Equestria. And of course another event card. Now they're coming back to me. Oh, I forgot to show the booster pack. Okay, got a 2 princesses, so a pony card, another pony card pack. Hey, what the heck is this? It's a sticker. I think it's a sticker. Is it? Check the card. Let's see what we got. Yeah, these are stickers. Sticker number 4. I would tell this thing's better than the other one. Last booster pack got a sticker. So got an event card, time travel spell, and an event card again. Oh shoot! I think I could have done this a lot better. When you unbox more of these, read the back and questions, the details, more details. I'll get a booster pack of series 2 of these, and if you guys want to make a video of it and show more details, go ahead, write down below. For now, I'll say the best box was the Discord one. This one of Luna was not that good. Discord, I got these 2. This one was pretty cool, and the sticker was kind of creepy to me. And actually got a holographic and a rare sticker. Not bad, actually. And actually like this poster way better than the other one. Not to mention it has a checklist on the back instead of an ad. For real, I'm gonna put a checklist in the back of this one. I gotta put a bunch of ads. Well, there's those 2 that I found. I needed, to unbox them, so I put my video. And well, that's it. Which one of these 2 you like better? I already picked Discord. These I like better. They have better cards for me personally. And I think I show all the codes for some reason. Hopefully you guys can use them, because I don't have any idea what those actually even do. I actually used them a whole bunch when I bought a booster pack and never got a single thing winner. Right, see you guys next week. And don't worry, if you guys are a Pokemon fan, I will unbox Pokemon cards pretty soon.